Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Bookmap to HitBTC. And if you want to do this, the first step that we are going to do is we go to Settings, Manage Plugins, and then right here we scroll down, where we will find HitBTC. Then right there we need to install this, but if you can see right here, this adapter is only supported by Bookmap versions, and then version 7.4 and 7.6. So if you want to use this software, or this broker, this tool, whatever you want to call it, then you need to change from the software on Bookmap and download the correct one. Once you did that, you go exactly to the same setting right here, and then you can install it right here. So install it, wait for it, and then the second step is go to Connections, Configure, and select right here from platform your HitBTC. Right now I don't have it, so I will do it with something else. Then you click right here on BitGet, then you do OK, and now if you go to Connections, we select right here BitGet, and then if you can see right here, if I'm holding my mouse, BitGet is connected. So this is what you need to do with HitBTC. It works exactly the same, and you only need to download a different version of Bookmap when you can't install the plugin. So this is how it works. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.